I spent 40 hours as a new Dasher to unveil how much you can actually make. As well, I'll reveal how you can boost your earnings through some easy methods. Starting with a sign-up bonus. Let me explain. A bank called Simply is now offering new users $400 as a sign-up bonus, but only if we can manage to get our employer to deposit $100 every month for 3 months straight. So naturally, our goal will be to claim the bank sign-up bonus using only Doordash. We got our Doordash bag within a week or so, and sure enough, we got our first order. Alright boys, so we're going on our first Doordash trip. Not sure what to expect here or like really what to do, guys, but I guess we'll figure it out. We'll wing it, and yeah, here we go, green light. Alright guys, so we got the order for them. So we're finally here. That was about 30 minutes in total, so 15 bucks in 30 minutes, guys. However, as with anything I do, nothing seems to go to plan. Oh guys, this is so annoying. What's the issue here? Oh my god, dude. I did hit a speed bump that was pretty tall. It basically just worked for nothing, dude. Now, to be honest with you guys, the first week, I honestly thought this challenge would be easy. 100 bucks in a month seemed very doable up until we discovered this. So it looks like DoorDash actually pays you weekly, even if you don't have over $100 earned within that week. Now, I'm not sure if Simply will accept that.
Hello, this is Doordashing. How can I help you?
I just want to know, to be eligible, do my deposits have to be $100 all in one transaction, or can they be broken up to equal $100 by the end of the month?
Each deposit should be at least $100 worth.
Oh, okay, I see. So that changes our plan. Instead of making $100 in a month, we actually need to make $100 in a week. Now that might not seem like a lot, guys, but at the rate we were getting orders, it felt damn near impossible. So instead of casually completing orders, we needed a new strategy. I am now going to set aside 1 week every month to dedicate towards completing $100 worth of orders. I also found that we get way more orders during dinner time, especially during Fridays and Saturday nights. Looks like it's gonna rain too, guys, so not much time. Let's go ahead and get this going. So once again, everything seemed to be going all right, and of course it had to start raining. Well guys, we were actually about to call it here, but we did get a decently high paying order for the distance traveled. Only now it's raining, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this done before it starts really pouring, guys. Man, we're absolutely gonna get soaked. This 100 bucks, we're literally just like 2 orders away. Now at this point, I've been waiting ages for not 1, but 2 orders as they were bundled into one job. I was seriously contemplating canceling those orders. But I also knew if I did not take this order, I would not be making my $100 target this month, which meant forfeiting that $400 bonus. I am literally soaked. Holy crap, and oh dude, this is not good. Oh, look at this thing, dude. I was literally running through that puddle of water right there, you guys can see, and I didn't notice it until I stepped into it. And now everything is just, my shoes, everything, bro, just soaked. This is actually horrible, dude. I might just, oh, I don't know. I already picked up the order. I'm kind of forced to now, boys. Now I thought things couldn't get worse, but it always does. Now things have gone even worse. I picked up both orders. The rain stopped, nice for now. But now I have no LTE. I don't know what's going on up here. How the hell am I gonna get this address, dude? I can't even open the DoorDash app. I'm gonna see if I can get some Wi-Fi here real quick. Somehow the storm actually caused my data to stop working, meaning I was sitting in a car with 2 wet dinner orders and no clue where to drop it off. Alright guys, just dropped off 1 order. We're going out and dropping off 1 more before the end of that. Safe to say that was my last order of the day. I called it there and went home for a much needed change of clothes. 1 month down, 2 more to go. Alright guys, so a very good start to our month for Doordash, or week, whatever you want to call it. For the second month, we decided to keep the same strategy, just doing a few dinner orders throughout the weekdays and hitting it hard on Friday and Saturday nights. Now, one of the main issues we came across was actually getting good orders, because after our first month, our free trial of the priority access was over. Basically, this feature is a way for DoorDash to force drivers to take trash orders, in my opinion, because as you guys can see, to become eligible for high-paying orders again, I cannot reject more than 50% of the orders that come my way. And at this point, guys, they were sending me orders I had to reject. But unfortunately, we had to suck it up and complete some orders. Luckily, I did get a few reasonable orders, so we grinded it out for the rest of the week and completed month 2. Another $100 into the bank. Well, this just took a turn, guys. So these guys live in one of these buildings right here, but the road going in it is actually closed. It looks like we're walking now, boys. Dude, this gotta be the most confusing order I've taken. Look at this. I think we're here. As well, throughout this month, I came across many apartment orders where the customer would actually request for the food to be delivered to their door, which of course I have no issues with, except when I'm locked out and not given any response as to how to get in. Well guys, that took a bit of time. Actually too much time. We spent way too long here, bro. I could not open that door. Yeah, we were stuck at that lobby door for like ages. Now at this point, guys, we were in the home stretch. And of course, that's when DoorDash decided to send us a bunch of grocery orders. Desperate, I started to accept these grocery orders, knowing full well it would take way longer than restaurant orders. As well, customers tend to tip less for grocery deliveries, at least in my experience. And that's when I accepted a 52 item order. Alright guys, so there's 52 items in here somehow. Gotta get this all done, let's go. Literally sweating balls because each item was kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie, dude. But yeah, remind me never to do these orders again, man. So that marked the end of taking grocery orders as well. I found out you can actually request to not receive grocery orders. So of course I contacted DoorDash immediately to put in my request in order to prevent my acceptance rate from going any lower. With that being said, we finished the last few orders of the month. Alright guys, that's one more in the books. Almost there, almost there. Wait, what's this? No. I'm so lost. Here we go. Let's get out of this apartment. It was more of a struggle than anticipated, but we had done it, guys. Month number 3 completed. So guys, here is our profit breakdown. We worked around 14.5 hours worth of active time and made $380.03. Our cost for gas was about $82, bringing our net earnings to $298.03, or an average hourly rate of $20.55. However, guys, if we include our total dash time, aka sitting around waiting for orders to show up, our total worked hours jumps all the way up to 39 hours, or an hourly rate of $7.64. But we also did get our $400 bonus from the bank, bringing us to a grand total of $698.03 earned. So what's something different that I would do next time? I would actually sign up to the rest of the other apps, such as Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, you name it, all the other ones. And I would actually run them all at the same time, meaning delivering for all of the apps while you're out there. But the better question to ask is, would I do it again? I really hope I don't have to.